In this video, you'll learn how to edit a tax on Blixo in just a few simple steps. The only way to edit a tax is by editing directly in the Taxes section. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Settings section. Next, click on the Taxes field to access the taxes list. Click on the Edit button of any tax to initiate the editing process. After clicking, the Edit Tax Rate screen will appear, where you can edit any fields that you wish to change. For this demonstration, I will edit the name of a tax as an example. Click Submit button to complete the editing process. Let's check it out. Success. The tax has been edited. Voila! You have successfully edited a tax in just a few easy steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.